Hey guys, do you want to know how I put this look together? So continue watching my video. So right now guys, I will just go ahead to do my hair first. So I have someone helping me with the bar because this wig is a 360 wig, guys. You all know about 360. Sometimes it's very hard when it comes to the back because you are not seeing it. So that's why. So right now I'm almost done. Then I decided to do it like this. I say no, it's not good. Then this is the perfect way to do it. So that is just it. So as you can see, my baby hair is on flake, and this is the back I was talking about. So that is just it. So right now guys, as you can see the way everything is going, so I will just go ahead to do my nails, and it's looking so beautiful already. So now we just go ahead to clean my face, to remove all the dirty things on my face. Then I'll go ahead to do my eyebrow. All right, so all you need to do after using your concealer, you just have to blend it very well, and don't forget to use different shade, especially for the top you have to use dark shade, and the down you can use any type you want. So that is just it. So right now I'll just go ahead to do my eyeshadow, just doing everything so fast. So if you need full video, you want to know how I normally do my makeup, I think I have about 2 video or 3 video there, so you can just go to my channel to go and watch it there, or if you are seeing it on my channel, I don't know where I will be posting this video. So anyway, so right now I'll just go ahead to prime my face. I'm done with my eyes, guys. You can see the brow and the eyeshadow is on flick. So right now I will just use this to protect my skin. All right. So now spray my face before foundation. Is optional. You can do it like that or not. I don't know how to put the word. So that is just it. Right now I'm using my foundation. Today I tried to use brush. I'm always afraid using my brush. I always use the beauty sponge to blend my foundation. So I decided to try the brush, and it was okay. Yeah. So right now I'm doing my concealer, guys. So if you are learning, I think this video is for you, and you are going to thank me later. This is how to do a very simple makeup. You don't need to stress yourself. Just do it, blah 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 blah, and just go. But at the end, the makeup was looking so perfect. This is not my normal makeup. Sometimes I do spend 2 hours 3 hours doing makeup just to make it look bad, but this one I think was not even up to 30 minutes. Everything was okay because I was really fast. It was late already. I have to go out. So right now I'm going to be using that pink. Okay, you know what? Yeah, pink to set my concealer, and it was so beautiful. I will be doing full video of pink makeup. Yeah, so I think I'll be the first to do that. I love it so much. It's so beautiful. I've done it before, and it was looking so beautiful, but I didn't record it at all, and it was so painful. So right now I'm trying to patch everything into my skin, the contour, the blush, the yes, the what is it called, the powder, setting powder, making everything look so beautiful. And I really love the outcome of this makeup and the way it lifts up my face. You can see this my face is different from my normal face. This makeup really lifts up my face because of the foundation the concealer I use at the side of my eyes, and it was looking so beautiful. So right now I'm doing my lips, I fix my lashes. Oh my god, the girl is looking so beautiful already. Cecile Sass is always beautiful. So now I'm done with my makeup. I have to lock in the makeup because I'm going somewhere where I will dance and dance and dance. Sweat will be dropping out, but it will never spoil my makeup. Yeah, that is just it. So guys, this is the final look, and this is your baby girl. My hair, the makeup, everything is so beautiful. Oh my god. So guys, this is the final look, guys. The hair, the makeup, everything is on flick, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm loving myself right now. Oh my god, I love this hair so much, and the makeup is okay. I don't really like heavy makeup like that. I love doing makeup that is actually close to my skin tone. All right, so this is it. Hope you like it, and don't forget to give me a follow, share my video. I love you guys. Bye.